You already know what this is. An escalated cold complaint. The store in St. Paul is driving clients away because of how cold it is. You need to find the store and associated system, get the right credentials, look for cold zones in the summary table, check for active equipment faults, verify operations for individual RTUs, view trend logs, try to diagnose, and then send out the work order. Now on site, your service tech must troubleshoot the issue, manually checking various components for the root cause. Confirmed. Failure found. Oh, but wait. The replacement part isn't in the truck, which means he's going to have to come back. That's hours of equipment downtime, more clients driven away, and a cost you didn't want to be paying. 1 week later, the technician is back. The replacement part is in place, and the repair is finally complete. It's a big relief. But what if all this pain could be avoided? With ARIA, time, money, and client comfort can be saved during an urgent escalation call. Just ask ARIA to investigate the RTU performance at the store. ARIA will help you diagnose the situation, assist with troubleshooting, identify possible parts required for repair, and give you the option to shut down the unit until it's repaired. This is life with ARIA. Less site visits, faster repairs, and better results.